You deserve a truly refreshing break, and with so many ways to relax, Millcroft Inn and Spa offers the perfect retreat to the country. Explore the 100-acre estate on foot or by bike, indulge in award-winning cuisine, and soothe your body, mind, and soul in Millcroft's state-of-the-art spa and renowned outdoor hot spring pools. Your retreat includes overnight accommodations, a gourmet 3-course dinner, and breakfast for 2 the next morning. Plan your retreat to the country today at vintage-hotels.com.